Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Obviously if you clicked on this video you want to find out how to get these Fulani goddess braids. So yeah, I'm giving you the step-by-step process. So yeah guys, keep watching. I decided to use the bendy rollers instead because I love the curl pattern that they give. Alright, so here she's dipping my hair in boiling hot water. You have to make sure the water is hot so that the curls hold. Giving the hairdresser's phone number down in the description box, so make sure to check it out in case you want her to hook you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on what other type of videos you want to see from me. So yeah guys,